Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking. And returnees too, thank you. And my subscribers, as I said, is growing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I know that tells me that I'm on the right path. So thank you so much for subscribing. Let's move on. As I said before, that I'm going to be doing the shirt nurse next. Okay. The shirt that I have is off shoulder. The seam is off shoulder, just like my shirt that I have, my blouse that I have. This is cap sleeve. But I'm going to show you what it is on this mannequin. Okay, this is the regular. Okay, let's go down a bit. This is the regular shoulder with the shirt. Okay, this is before the seam allowance and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is the regular shoulder length before seam allowance. But the shirt that I'm going to be sewing is off shoulder. So I'll show you the difference. Okay, and take this off and put on this one. Do it quickly so you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, my shirt is very loose, and this is it's rounded at the bottom, and this is off shoulder. That means it's extended. The shoulder length is extended out. Excuse me, before the sleeves. So instead of the seam ending right at the edge of our shoulder, it's extended out. Okay, so this is off shoulder. Okay, now let's move on. When it comes to the fabric that I'm using is 100% cotton, and the patterns on it is not one direction. Okay, so I can cut it in either this length, the patterns going across, or going up and down. Okay, it depends on your taste. So as I said, because the patterns are opposite, going the opposite direction, I can cut it either way. Okay, either across or lengthwise, and I did my lengthwise. On my vest, I cut it on a pattern, but I didn't walk you through. It's too early. I'll show you how to match patterns on the fabric when you're cutting your pattern pieces. Okay, and also I remember excuse me, telling you guys that I'll get some interfacings and walk you through. I haven't been able to go to the shop yet, but what I have now that I'm using is very light excuse me, interfacing, non-woven interfacing, and that feels like paper, and it has a glue at one side. Okay, and then the other side there's no glue. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, okay, and it feels like this one you can rip. It feels like paper. Okay, it's non-woven interfacing, and it's very light because my fabric is light. So there's no need for me to use a heavy interfacing. But as I said, one of these days I'll walk you guys through different kinds of interfacing. Okay, let's move on. I think I have everything. Okay, and I've cut all my pattern pieces, and I've cut my interfacing also, and I'm making short sleeves because it has a placket, and that's too early for beginners for me to walk you through the placket. Okay, how come it's not showing? and then the pleats. So I'm sewing short sleeves, okay? And it has the interfacing there. So I'll see you in a bit, okay? And that's my color with the interfacing. And then the facing of the shirt also has interfacing, 2 pieces, okay? And this is my shirt back. On fold, it's on fold, and then as usual, the shirt front is 2 piece, and as I showed you on the small mannequin, it's rounded, okay? Please don't forget your notches, okay? After you figure out your size and you're cutting it out, don't forget your notches. And I'll see you in a bit. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I'll see you in a bit. Hello there. Let's continue. The shirt now is finished. So I'm going to walk you through what I did, okay? Because we all have different machines, but it's the same. Just follow your pattern instructions and then the buttonholes. And I put on the buttons and all that. So I'll walk you through it. Okay. Before I went on the machine to sew, first thing that I did is press my interfacing to the facing of the shirt, put it on my collar. I iron them to my collar and the facing. And then I stick the shoulder, and then I press it open. I did the serging. After that, I sew my collar, put it on, put the facing, the shirt facing of the side on it, and then I join the sleeves. I serge the sleeves, and then I join the side of the shirt, both the side, and then I serge it. If you don't have a serger, you can always use your zigzag. And then I open it and press it. I hem the sleeves, follow your instructions, and then my shirt has a slip on the side. Let me do it this way so you can see. So then I serge all around the edges, and I just turn over 1/2 inch. Okay, and then what else did I do? And then I did the buttonholes. Because it's white, it's hard to see. And then I put my buttons on. See my buttons? So follow your instructions and then finish your shirt. And then, oh, I didn't get any answer from the question that I asked before. What was the question? Say to give me a single problems that you're having with your sewing, that you're having a hard time understanding or sewing it. So try to put it in a comment section, and then I'll address it. Any area of your sewing that you're having a hard time or understanding it, just leave it in a comment, and I'll address it up. Okay? And then this is the end of the video. Please share my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep sharing, because as I said way back, there's more goodies coming. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.